Hi guys, what's up? What's up? Today I'm gonna do a collaboration with my girl at Shellz Homestyle Kitchen. Guys, we're gonna make a carrot punch, okay? So please go over Shellz and subscribe to her channel. She has some amazing Jamaican food and other dishes, okay? Show her your support, guys. Tell her that Jody sent you. I will share the link below, so go and check it out. She's also on Instagram, okay? So stay tuned, guys, for the whole video, because trust me, this punch right here, it is super delicious. You guys are gonna enjoy it. Oh my goodness, I am so excited. Yes. So in my bowl right here, I've got 1 pack of organic carrot. So this is the 1 pack, okay? And the reason why I'm using organic, because it's more richer and it's more, colorful. Yes, so that's why. But if you don't have the organic one, you just use the regular carrot. It's perfectly fine, So what I did, I cut my carrot, okay? So this is how I cut it. Not so big, I just cut it round. And you can always peel it. Just peel off the skin. Like so. If you don't have this, guys, just use a knife, okay? Because that's what I normally use, knife. But this is more quicker, obviously. And I just cut it like so with my knife. Yeah, so that's done. So here I have my pot and my stove, guys, and what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna boil my carrot for at least 15 to 20 minutes. If you want, you don't have to boil it. You can just, blend it up just like as you cut it, just blend it up. But I want to do it, a bit different today and show you guys that you can do it other ways as well. So as I said, I'm boiling it for at least 15 to 20 minutes, okay? So now I'm gonna add my carrot. And I'm also gonna add at least 2 to 3 cups of warm water, okay? I'm gonna add some more water, 1 more cup. I'll say, guys, just 3.5 cup, okay? 3.5 cup of water. Instead of 3, you do 3.5 instead. Yes. Yeah, so that's perfect. I'm gonna cover my pot. So see you guys in a few. So these are my rest of my ingredients. Here I have at least ½ cup of condensed milk in my bowl right here. And I'm gonna add a dragon stout. You can always use Guinness, okay? Yes. I also have some nutriment, and I'm using the whole can, and at least 2 teaspoons of vanilla, and just a pinch of salt, okay? Not a lot, just to bring out the flavor, and nutmeg. And I'm gonna add at least, ½ teaspoon or so. Yes. So the nutriment that I'm gonna use is vanilla, okay? And the reason why I'm adding the condensed milk, because the condensed milk I'm gonna use to sweeten my carrot punch, okay? So that's why, yeah. So my carrot is all finished, guys, and this is what it look like. It is nice and soft. Do not do this at home, okay guys? I'm used to it, but this is how you want it, okay? You see crush down on my hand? That's perfect. That's how you want it. Yeah, that's good to go. I'm just gonna turn off my stove. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna allow it to cool just for at least 10 minutes or so, okay? Then guys, I'm gonna blend it all up. So stay tuned. So after it has been cool just for a bit, now I'm just gonna add my carrot to my blender, okay? I'm telling you guys, you're gonna enjoy this juice, this punch. It's gonna be really, really good. So nice, so creamy. It's gonna be real, real good. I cannot wait to drink some. And you know Thanksgiving is coming up, guys, so you can make it for your family. Give them a surprise. I'm sure they're all gonna enjoy it. And I'm gonna also add the liquid. Just wanna add it. This is gonna be 2 blend because I still have a bit more, as you can see, in my pot. You don't have to fill it all the way up, so that's good for now. So now guys, I'm gonna blend it all up, okay? And you want it to be puree, yes. So now it is nicely blended, and this is what it looks like, guys. As you can see, it is puree. So this is how you want it. That's perfect. So I got another batch, so I'm just gonna blend that other batch, okay? So stay tuned. So now I'm just gonna add my another batch. And you just want to mix it just a bit, okay? So now guys, I'm gonna add my dragon stout. I don't think I'm gonna add all of it. As you can see right here, I leave back this amount. Yes. Maybe throughout the video I add more, but that's perfect for now. And you want to stir it all in. I'm telling you, it smells so good already. I'm gonna add my condensed milk. You can always taste your liking. If it need any more milk, you can always add some more milk. Yes. So now I'm gonna add my nutriment, my vanilla, and just a pinch of salt, as I said. Give it a stir. I'm telling you, honestly, it looks super delicious. So nice, so creamy. I know it's gonna taste so good because it look good. So this is how you want it, guys. Not too thick. That's perfect. And it's nice and smooth, okay? So now I'm gonna grate my nutmeg. You don't want to add too much. That's done. So guys, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add my remaining condensed milk from the pan, okay? So guys, it is nicely sweetened, and I'm telling you, it tastes amazing. Super delicious. So creamy. It is not too sweet. It is perfect. Really perfect. You guys are gonna enjoy this recipe. It is really good. I love it. I love it very much. So that's done. So now I'm just gonna put it in a jug, okay? So stay tuned. So these are my glass jug. So what I'm doing, I'm just adding some ice. So now that I add my ice, guys, now what I'm doing, I'm just pouring all that carrot punch all in my glass jug, and I'm telling you, look at that. Super delicious. Oh my goodness. Wow. It look amazing. Fill it up. Gonna add some more. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add some more to my glass right here. And then what I'm gonna do, guys, I'm gonna add some whipped cream. but the whipped cream is totally optional. Okay? Then I'm just gonna grate some of my nutmeg on top. So there you have it, guys. My Jamaican carrot punch. I hope you guys do try it. Look at it, it looks so good. My goodness, do you guys want some? Taste some. Is it nice? I'm sure it is. Oh my goodness, so good. So guys, thank you all so much for watching this video. Don't forget to check Shellz Homestyle Kitchen out. Until next time, bye, stay blessed. Don't forget to keep laughing, keep smiling, no matter what, because God is always on your side. Bye guys, much love.